was a lot of content that was delivered in the course of the class, but what it did was consolidated my learning and organized my family therapy experience and learning into an efficient little package where I could more effectively communicate about it, teach it, train around it, and help people evaluate the effectiveness of their work. That has been very satisfying to me. I've felt much more effective as a supervisor.
The most important learning for me happened in the supervision groups when we were able to use concepts and strategies that were taught in a session and then apply that to the work people were doing. That's what I came into the course wanting, was that experience to learn because I had been practicing for a long time and to be open to ideas and other ways of doing things, and it really helped me think about that.
When I first signed up for this course, I hadn't been working with families. Most of my training had been focused on working with individuals. So working together for a full weekend and the retreat, it felt like I can do this, and it's not as scary as I thought it would be, and it also just opened up a lot of different ways of thinking about my work with individual clients. And once we got back from that retreat and started delving into the materials more and really working together as a group and experimenting with the different models and theories, things start to feel really comfortable. I'm very excited to be using all of the things that I've learned here.
A lot of my previous learning and training has been working with individuals, even though part of my current job and role was providing family sessions. So I really wanted to have a better context of structure of family sessions, thinking about families from a systems perspective, and I think I'm walking away feeling much more knowledgeable and confident in my ability to facilitate family sessions and think about the family systems and ways to be strategic about my therapeutic interventions with families.
I had written as a goal to increase my confidence in facilitating family therapy sessions, and that goal has certainly been reached in this course. And the main questions that I had about how to move forward in the work when you feel stuck and how to maintain a sense of purpose in sessions, that was the main points that I really learned more about in this course, and how to use the stages of the family session to help guide you when you're stuck into.
Another really important thing that I think I'm walking away with is reminding myself that even when things feel very urgent, that I don't have to do something right now, I don't have to fix something right now, that I can take the time to witness a family's experience, to be fully present, and to just continue to approach a family with curiosity and exploration, and that will help when things feel stuck.
So the most important thing that I learned was literally how to be a family therapist, what to do when confronted with this family in my office. And even though the readings were great and the classes were great, it was the role plays in which I was a family member, an adult, a child, and or the therapist that really helped me feel what it's like to be the therapist and the client.
I wasn't a family therapist before I came to the course. I saw only individual clients. So in a way, the course opened a new world of terms, theories, and interventions for me. But in a way, I feel that even more important than that, I had the chance to practice how to be open-minded and mindful and curious here in the course. And I trust that these skills will help me no matter who I see, whether it's individuals or families.
When I came into the course, I wanted to learn the skills to be a family therapist. I feel that I've learned a lot of the different theories and application of those theories. I'm confident that I could go out into the world and be a family therapist.
I wanted to be confident as a family therapist, and I think one thing that I learned was when to interrupt a family as far as when they're interrupting each other, and when to just hold back and let my agenda just be in the background and not control others. And I also learned that it's okay to feel nervous and just be in the moment, just be there as best you can.
Two people in our course are in the process or have birthed a baby while we had this 9 months together, and now I feel like I'm birthing a baby and I'm sending you all out to do good in the world. Joseph Campbell wrote a book called The Hero with a Thousand Faces, and he said once the hero agrees or reaffirms the commitment to follow his or her destiny, allies appear in his or her path. So I just want to say that we're either working in the service of others or we're in the wilderness of chaos and confusion. And I really have been always moved every year by the work that people do in the intensive course. And thank you for sharing that work with me and helping us to all learn together and allowing me to learn from you. It's a gift to see people come and learn and stretch and grow and to work together so intimately.